nice.
It is a very, very exciting day. We're headed down to Taos. We are snow hunting and also pretty extreme terrain hunting. Apparently Taos is pretty incredible. We'll see. I'll have my GoPro, so hopefully we'll catch some awesome things and push the limits of my skiing abilities as well as my friends. So it should be awesome. We got about 5 hours of driving, so we'll see what we see on the way. I love finding little back roads, little dirt roads just off the main road for making lunch or taking a little break, taking a time lapse or two. So we're gonna make some lunch and then we're gonna get back on the road. I really love grilled cheese. It's one of those things that I kind of just go all out on when I cook it, when I cook a grilled cheese. It's not just bread and butter and cheese, it's the perfect amount of toasted bread, the perfect temperature, slow so that the cheese melts. 2 different types of cheese if you can. I only have one. Pickles if you can, tomatoes if you can. I have a little extra bacon. I'd probably add more on there honestly if I had it, but this is all I've got.